Sir, ni hao, xian sen tai tai. Water Mingje Sir Pitriawati. You can call me Pitri. 40 years old, married. I have 4 children. My experience in Saudi Arabia 2 years from 2018 until 2020. My job is take care newborn and children. Change clothes, change diapers, give milk, accompany, sleep, and do general housework, cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking. I can cook Arabian food, for example, rice biryani, rice kabsa, chicken soup, falafel, and gemak. I want to go overseas because I need money for my family and children's study. Now I am in living room. This is decoration. Umbrella, sofa, table, tablecloth, calendar, and this is past and forward. Finish. See you. Bye. Chai Chen.